and imperialism. Nationalism feelings narrowed to small faith in last quarter of 19th century. Nationalist groups became intolerant and violent. European powers turned nationalism into imperialism, that is, rule of emperor. Nationalist tension in Balkans, 1871. Balkan comprised modern-day Romania, Bulgaria, Albania, Greece, Macedonia, Croatia, Bosnia, Herzegovina, Slovenia, Serbia, and Montenegro, whose residents known as Slavs. Large part of Balkans was controlled by Ottoman Empire. Disintegration of Ottoman Empire and ideas of romantic nationalism made Balkan explosive. Modernization and internal improvements made Ottoman Empire strong. European subject nationalities broke from its control and declared independence. Balkans demanded independence and political rights. Balkans thought their struggles as attempt to independence. But they are defeated by foreign powers. Causes of First World War. Balkan states were jealous of each other and wanted more territory at expense of other. Balkans also became the big power competitor. European powers compete for trade, colonies, naval and military. Russia, Germany, England, Austria, Hungary wanted to control over Balkans. This led to series of war in region and finally First World War. Conclusion. Nationalism aligned with imperialism led Europe to great loss in 1914. Many countries ruled by Europe opposed imperial domination. Nationalist-led anti-imperial movements. Ideas of nation-states accepted as natural and universal.